Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see one question, that is how we can create payment ID for an order ID. Okay, so this was one question, that is how we can create payment ID for an order ID. Okay, so guys, before this video only we have seen one video, that in that I have told you guys how we can create a order ID. Okay, so for that we need a secret key, uh, key and secret key, then amount, currency and receipt. Okay, by taking that, what we are doing, we are creating our already. Okay, and that we can store in database, as how you want, like that you can do guys. Okay, this is about already. Then guys, if you're talking about payment ID, then guys, payment ID, I want to tell, payment ID we will not create guys. It will automatic, it will generate for each payment whatever we do, any transaction rate, for each transaction it will create one payment ID, and it will give us from a response. Okay, you can see guys, here it is response. Okay, so you can see it, this is just, this is just checkout page, how we do. Okay, it is checkout page. So here you can see, here it is amount, and here it is random number, and here this is front end guys. Okay, so randomly I have taken and I have created one order ID. Okay, suppose if you're doing any real-time application, this is just an example guys. If you're doing any real-time application, then we need to take this already from response of backend, means whatever in whatever in controller we have created that already, that we need to take this one guys, we need to take to front end, and that we need to store with our payment ID. You can see here it is payment ID, and this payment ID we are getting from response guys. Okay, when we do payment in that response, this payment ID, it will generate automatic. We are not generating, or we are not creating that payment ID, we are creating only order ID. Okay, and with that we are storing that in database. You can see guys, here it is payment ID, and here it is event ID, means order ID. Okay, so both we are storing in our database by using this route. Okay, so this is the thing guys. If you're doing any payment integration in your application, then you need to create order ID and payment ID, you will get automatically. Just you need to store that in database with that order ID. Okay, so this is the thing guys. So like this you can do the payment ID. Matlab, it's not like creating, but the things I want to clear, we will not create any payment ID, it will generate automatic from response, that only will take and will store in database. Okay, so I hope guys, you got how the payment ID work. Suppose if you have any question, any queries, or suppose if you want this, like how we can store order data already with this payment ID in our payment, in our database. If you want this, then guys please comment. So I will do one full video guys, where I can tell all the things about Razorpay, and about payment gateway, and about order ID also, and how to store, and how it will generate automatically, that everything I can tell guys. Okay, so if you want that video, then I just comment or give more like guys, so I will understand according to that. Okay, so guys please comment, and if you're liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.